Here's the hockingsi going in and out, taking away some of their rubbish from outside of the hive. And obviously some are coming back. A couple of little dead bees there too. All part of nature, it's what happens. Sometimes they just don't make it. Hive hasn't had a lot of activity except for the last couple of days, so obviously doing their cleaning flights and starting to get used to the area, seeing they haven't been here before. So yeah, it's pretty cool to see them doing what they do. We'll eventually turn this into an observation hive with a lid on top we can look in, and I may even put a honey super on it. But at the moment it's just a pollination box, so it just has two sections so I can split it. But, we'll change that later on. Might do a slow motion video too. Thanks guys.